Hey guys, today I had no idea what I wanted to play, so I'm gonna play some truck games. I'm just bored. Wait, I want to play this game. Yeah, get out of here. Wait a sec, guys. One sec, guys. Alright, sorry about that. My friend just texted me. Come on, I don't care about you, stupid. Can I skip this? Sorry, guys. I'll be back when this ad finishes. Okay, guys, I'm back. Finally done. Comes loading. Okay, I'm just gonna play a different game because this game is not working. But I like some other games. Let's play Monster Truck. There's an ad. I'll skip this ad too. Okay, but is this gonna work or what? Okay, this one's working. It's gonna take a while to load it. Forever load. Anyway, there are some good games you play. I'll be right back when this is finished downloading. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, it's yeah, finally. Oh, what must I choose? I like this one. Choose that one. How do you play? Speed up, brake, roll left, roll right. Okay. Oh, crap! Oh yes, boost. Woo! Do roly poly. Oh, that was close. Okay, I finished it. Continue. This version sucks. Don't crash. I just want to do roly polies. Yes! Excellent driving. Sweet. Let's go. No. Okay. Um. I just gotta do this, that. Do roly poly. Yeah, bro. What the hell? What the hell? I just smashed it. Can you die in this game? Awesome. Awesome. This is no one. Let's play a different game. I'm gonna finish this level. I'm gonna play a different game. Oh, yeah. Shambalambla. Come on. Let's. Oh, I squashed them. They suck. Suck. Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. No. Just! Yes! Just! Suck it! I am going. Let's use this much truck now. way. Oh my god, this motor truck is awesome. Oh my god! Annihilated him. Okay, this is weird. Oh, crap. 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 Come on. And yeah. Hold on a sec, guys. Okay, guys, I fixed my microphone up so you can hear me better. Okay. So, we're gonna play a different game. And I'm playing a game. Play this game. I love this game. I used to play these games when I was very little. I used to love them so much. I really love them. I'll be back. One sec. I just had to close my door. And I'll be back when this ad is done. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm doing this. What happened now? I have to get off that. I fixed the microphone so you can hear me better. It's good. Okay, no, it's not mute. Okay. I gotta try get this. Now I'm just gonna restart this level. Boom! I just explained myself. Because I'm awesome. Okay. Oh my god. Now, this is gonna do. This is so hard. How do you do it? I might be able to do this. Come on, come on. Yes, I finally done it. Come on. No, crap. Yeah, breakdance, breakdance. Oh yeah, breakdance. What the fudge? Fudge. Oh. Oh, I get it. Don't let the box. Sweet. Yeah, breakdance, 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 breakdance. Next level. What am I meant to do? Sorry. Fudge. What are you meant to do? Stop grabbing onto that. I ain't get this. Nah. It's gonna be the end of the episode. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Description. Down below. Peace. Oh, sorry guys. I only made that mistake.
Peace.